So guys, it's time to prepare the barbecue. Put chocolate in the barbecue because we're going to make barbecue carnitas in bowel buns. It's a great barbecue recipe. First light the charcoal and then it's time to grill. Barbecue carnitas, great recipe to prepare on your barbecue. The great thing is the Memphis has different ways to prepare things on them. You can use the gas grill, you can use the charcoal grill, and there's an oven down below. Love it. You can smoke in the oven also, but we're going to use it to simmer the pork neck in the Dutch oven, and we're going to grill the meat. So different techniques makes it interesting. Step one is we're going to cut the meat in 2 centimeter. Yeah. So step number 2, some oil. The rub from Pit Boss Kansas City barbecue rub. It's with brown sugar, paprika and mesquite. So a little bit of smoky flavor in it. Smells really good. That's the one. And I lowered it. You can, if you look at the charcoal, you can adjust the height of the charcoal so you can adjust a little bit the heat. And then it's time to put the steaks, the pork steaks, on the grill and grill them for a few minutes so they got the grill marks on it and then they're ready. Time to turn it. Lovely grill marks, that's what you like. Flavor in the meat. Not a grand tour around the barbecue, just a small tour to see what all the barbecue can do for you. As I showed you, you can adjust the temperature of the heat with the elevator, but you also can adjust the heat to open this or this. And I close it because otherwise I got too much heat for the pork. Then there is a charcoal grill, you got the gas grill. Same way to use it with this too. And what I really do like is the oven over here. I already turned it on and you can use it as a smoker, but you can also use it on high temperature for cooking your turkey or chicken or whatever you like, or a big roast. So it's a multi-purpose barbecue. I'm enjoying working on it. Yeah. So. Yeah. Well guys, look at that. That looks pretty awesome, eh? Nice. That's the way we like it. They're ready. They're ready to simmer, to stew. I prepared some things for the stew. I got this one. We put it in. Chili pepper. Seeds, I left them in. Onions, garlic. Nice color. I love it. Put it all in. Then we got some bay leaves, one over here, one over there, brown sugar, oregano, cumin and paprika. All in. A little bit of beer. Let's see, let's use this one. Here we go. And put a lid on it, and then it's magic. So, get this one out. Yes, and here we go. 125 degrees. Leave it there to simmer approximately, I think 4 hours. Just check it, and when the meat is nice and tender, it's ready. Leave it over there. Nou, de hamburgers die gaan goed. Dus die leg ik iets naar achter, naar het indirecte gedeelte. En dan is het nu tijd voor de granaaltjes. Die doen we even lekker op. Let's see how the pork is doing. I think it's ready. Let's get it out of the oven. Oops, okay. Close it. And let's see. Oof, a lot of steam. Let's feel. Yep, that's what you want. Nice, soft and tender. Get it on the barbecue because this is not ready yet. Well, it's pulled, so now we're gonna put it in the skillet. Give it a great stir. It should be a little bit crispy. So let's see. Ooh, one. I found the biggest spoon ever. A little bit more of this juice, this lovely juice. And do not forget salt. Well, I was heating up the steamed buns, the bouwen broodjes, bread, broodjes, in the butcher paper, and they're nice and hot, and we use them later. So here we are. That looks great or not? Steamy hot. That should be sizzling away. A little bit crunchy, crispy. And let's make the buns. We cut them over here. So butcher paper, great stuff. You can use them for all kind of things. I use them for the buns. You could also plate your buns on the butcher paper, if you like. But today, nope. There it goes. Then radish. Let's see if I got a spoon or something like that. Yep, here we are. Ooh, the meat on it. Damn it, looks good. And the carnitas barbecue Pit Boss style. Oop. Back there. Ready. You gotta love them, guys. Come on, let's make them. Let's heat up your Pit Boss grill and start making those carnitas. They're great, you should love them, and they're great to make. If you'd like to know more about the Memphis barbecue we use, you know where to go, pitboss.com. Join the Pit Boss Nation if you like. Hashtag Pit Boss Nation is what you have to type in on the socials. And well, enjoy it. It's lovely. We are going to do it.